check this on. I'm so excited. She's sexy, full ass out. Body, yada, yada. Ladies and gentlemen, her.
Walking down the street like hello.
Lingerie with me, so amazing. Something work, no vacation. Get up off my Instagram, your temptation. You read the title right. Hello, welcome to the happiest place on the internet. I remembered my password to this channel. Hi, I'm back. I saw so many guys comment, Adelaide, why aren't you uploading on your main channel anymore? We only ever see you on your vlog. I genuinely lost my password. I lost all ways to upload. We're like getting YouTube involved. Like this is a thing. But hopefully if you guys are watching this, you are watching on my main channel. We got it back and we're uploading again. And we're starting out with a bang. We're going to be doing a sell up. This one's for the ladies, all right? This one's for the ladies. Sometimes I wish that I could just see what, you know, lingerie generally looks on people and like see different body types and see different skin tones and see this, see that. This video is for the ladies. We're going to be doing a lingerie try on hauls from Savage X Fenty. I got a package from them and we're just gonna talk all things lingerie, all things girl talk. Mom, dad, I hope that you're not watching. I mean, it's not, I mean, it's kind of like wearing a bathing suit. Like it's not that bad, but like, I mean, you'll see. But you guys know Rihanna is like, if you ask me who is your favorite person on the earth, I would 100% no hesitation answer Rihanna. She's like my inspiration in life. She owns businesses, she does music, she does fashion, she does everything. And I just think that she's a girl boss. She knows her worth. She doesn't put up with anybody's shit, and it so shows. I don't know, I just love her. I'm just kind of fangirling that she like wanted to sponsor this video. I love you, Rihanna. Not that you're watching, but like, you're literally my inspiration. I'm always like, what would Rihanna do? In any situation, what would Rihanna do? Anyways, and now sucking Rihanna's dick. Today I'm going to be trying on all of the things that I got in the mail. You'll see the good, the bad, the ugly. And I also love Savage because they're really affordable. If you guys click the link in my description, you can become a VIP member and basically get 2 bras or 2 bralettes for $29. That's it. Plus 50% off your next order, which I think is kind of a steal. Rihanna hooked it up. Link down below. Go check it out. Let's try this on. This is everything that I got. I'm so excited. Also, the reason why I'm filming in Andre's room is because we just did a photo shoot for the Savage X. We literally rented a studio and I'm so excited for the photos. Make sure that you're following me on Instagram because the photos turned out so good. Okay, first of all, I want to show you guys my favorite set first. This orange set. This is the watercolor tie-dye lace strapless bra with the watercolor tie-dye high-waist thong, and it looks like this in the back. This collection, along with all of the other watercolor pieces, are kind of inspired by like a vintage lingerie. She gives me like a Marilyn Monroe classic look, and I love the pops of color. Orange, I think it looks really good on tan skin tones, and it's one of my favorite photos that we took in the photo shoot. It just has like the Savage logo on the bottom, kind of like lined, and it's nice and see-through. She's sexy, and there's something about colors. I used to always just do black. Black is like my go-to. You know that you're gonna look good in black. You know you're gonna look nice and skinny. But color is so fun, and I feel like when I wear a bright color, if I do my shaving routine, I put my little like lush scrubby on so my skin is nice and smooth. I curl my hair, I do my makeup, I put it on a bright color. I just feel like sexy. Their inclusivity is amazing. They have so many sizes, and I just feel like a sexy little orange in this outfit. Ooh. Next, this is also another one of my, I'm just showing you all of my favorites right now. This is their Savage Not Sorry collection. This is their Savage Not Sorry lace balconette bra. It has like a little bit of padding. I have been wearing this all the time because, to be honest, I don't really have that many real bras. All I have is like bralettes because they're just comfier, but this just like makes your boobies look nice and good, and it has the matching underwear with it. This is a Savage Not Sorry strappy lace Brazilian, and it's really cool because it has this little thing. So it kind of goes up like this, and you could like kind of cinch your waist. It looks so good in the back too. And I just feel like visible thongs are having a moment, like having them a little bit above your pants. I know I'm gonna hate it in 5 years, but I really love it right now, and I think that it's so super like fashionable and trendy. And like so many celebrities wear it on red carpets and stuff like that. I don't know, I think that it's super hot, and I love the color. It's super unique. Next up, I don't have very many bodysuits, and I'm always scared. I'm like, it's so like out of my comfort zone. Normally I just like the 2-piece sets, but this one is the foiled springs embroidered teddy. Like the original price is $90, but you can actually get it for $34 if you're a VIP. I don't know, I just feel like red looks good on everybody, and it's see-through, and it has like the floral. It's just super feminine. I don't know, I really like this. And in the back it's like a thong, full ass out. Red is also a good go-to for lingerie. I personally feel like black and red. White is scary because you can stain, but black and red are my personal favorite. Speaking of, I also got, this is like one of the most comfortable, I feel like, and the one that I'm gonna be using the most. This is the Cotton Essentials bralette and the Cotton Essentials thong. Whenever I wear this, I swear to God, I'll wear this under a big t-shirt, and it's the comfiest ever. You ever just feel like, I don't know, sometimes I'll be walking around my house with like no bra on, and like, yeah, it's like all fun and games until you have to go up the stairs, and when you're going up the stairs you have to like hold your boobs, and like it kind of hurts, and then you're like running, and like, so I don't know. But when you have like a nice comfy bralette on, you're just free to do whatever, all the jumping that you want, all of the cartwheels, all of the Chloe Ting, anything that you want. You know, they're not gonna be bouncing around everywhere. She's kind of scared, but also at the same time very comfortable. So yeah. I know. Now who wanna see my pussy? Hi. Hi. This is Taz, the Andre and Brady's new cat. You're so cute. Are you sneaky? You're sneaky. Now who wants to see my pussy in Savage X Fenty? This is another comfy one. This is the floral mesh and lace bralette. We have the matching underwear to go with it. This is again something that you would just lounge around in. I swear to God, if it's just me and my roommate Brianna, I'll literally wear this and maybe like a pair of shorts and like walk around the house like that. Like we get way too comfortable around each other. I swear to God, I just be walking around naked sometimes, but let's not talk about that. My neighbors cannot know that. But again, this is super comfy. The Unlined bras are my favorite. And yeah, this is the same as the orange one that I showed you guys at the beginning, but this is the Watercolor tie-dye collection. This is the Watercolor Unlined lace strapless bra in purple with the matching high waist thong. I don't know, I feel like at least for my body type, I love high waisted. It's just kind of like, it makes me feel like body crazy, curvy, wavy, big titties, little waist, like body yada yada, kind of like an hourglass figure. That's that. And then the final piece that I got in the mail, I wanted to save because I thought it was the most unique piece. This is the Watercolor tie-dye bedroom corset, and it's a dress. It's $94, but if you're a VIP, it's $37. Guys, the VIP thing, you save so much money. And if you do sign up for VIP, make sure you use my link because it's gonna help a girl out here. I want to keep working with Rihanna. But here it is, her and all of her glory. Ladies and gentlemen, her. But she's full butt in the back. I'm sure you guys have been on Instagram. You see all your favorite influencers working with Savage X Fenty, and they have their titties out, their butt out. I saw Nikki wearing a dress similar to this. Her whole butt was out. I was like, yes! Insert the meme that's like, yes! But it has the see-through little boobies, and I love, like, if you just like, you know, say that you're going, it's your birthday, you know, you had a little bit of ice cream cake, you know, you had a little pizza, you had a little bit of this, you're feeling a little bloated. Stuff like this just makes me feel like sucked in, secure, and like cute. And it also has this little zipper right here, so it's easy to get out of. Don't worry, I know that it looks like, of course, it looks like, oh, when it's sexy time, like, you're gonna have to do all this untying, all this, and it's gonna kill the mood. No, you just do the little zippity-doo-dah, and she's fine. But we all have those days when you're on your period, you're feeling a little bloated, and you wanna just like feel sexy, but also like cover it up. This is it. Even with the high-waisted things, I feel like they make me feel so confident too. But that's everything that I got from Savage X Fenty. I hope you guys enjoyed. Huge thank you to Rihanna, Savage X Fenty, for sponsoring today's video. And if you guys want to become a VIP, you want to save that cash money, you want to have nice cute lingerie for cheap, then make sure to click the link in my description. If you buy it, click the link in my description so I can keep working with Rihanna, because Rihanna, I love you so much. You can become a VIP, get 2 bras or 2 bralettes for $29 and 50% off your next order, period. But yeah, I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next main channel video because we have the password now. Look at